What's the meaning of Arnold Bennett? Arnold Bennett. Arnold Bennett.
Arnold Bennett. Arnold Bennett. Arnold Bennett was an English writer and journalist born in 1867. He is best known for his novels, including The Old Wives' Tale and Clay Hanger, which portrayed life in the Potteries, a region of England's industrial Midlands. Bennett also worked as an editor and wrote non-fiction works on a variety of subjects, including literature and economics. His writing often deals with the themes of ambition, class, and social mobility. Overall, Arnold Bennett was an influential figure in early 20th century English literature.